exporting a Revit model to LightStanza, you can optionally attach a few lightweight parameters to the lighting fixture families for reporting purposes as well as to enable some additional functionality. On the LightStanza tab, simply click Load LS Parameters. After doing so, 4 instance parameters will be attached to all the lighting fixtures in the project. The LS active parameter designates whether the luminaire will be included in the export. LS emergency will include the luminaire and emergency calculations. LS emergency output will apply a proration factor to the luminous output when conducting emergency calculations. And LS luminous length will be used to determine the appropriate proration factor based on the IS basis length. If you don't want to prorate the linear fixtures in your project, simply leave this field blank. And there is one final parameter that's added as a type parameter. The LS IS basis length will be used for the proration calculation as well. The proration factor is simply the LS luminous length value divided by the LS IS basis length value. One common issue with loading the LightStanza parameters pertains to luminaire groups. This is particularly common if the lighting fixtures were added using the Array tool, as Revit will automatically create a group in this case. If any luminaires in the project are in a group, you'll get a message like this when attempting to load the LightStanza parameters. The fastest solution is to simply click Ungroup to continue loading the LightStanza parameters. But if you need to maintain the groups, there is another approach. You can just cancel out of this, and then cancel that. And then open the lighting fixtures that are part of the group in the Revit Family Editor. You should be able to find these in your project browser under Lighting Fixtures, and then select Edit. From here, you can load the LightStanza parameters into the family directly using the same function on the LightStanza tab. Then, reload the family into the project to avoid breaking the groups. You can optionally save the family so that it can be reused on future projects with the LightStanza parameters already loaded. We'll click No for this time. Be sure to overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. And now the LightStanza parameters are added to all the fixtures in that group. Repeat as necessary for other luminaire groups in the project.